Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share health benefits of eating curd. Curd is also known as yogurt. It is a nutritional dairy product made by fermentation of milk. It has been consumed from centuries and is valued for its numerous health benefits. The first health benefit is probiotics. Curd contains live bacterial cultures such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which are beneficial for gut health. It improves digestion and may reduce the risk of gastrointestinal issues. Second, it supports healthy digestion. The lactic acid content present in the curd promotes the growth of healthy gut flora, which results in healthy digestion. The third health benefit is it improves immunity. The probiotics in curd supports immune system by enhancing the activity of immune cells and improves the gut barrier function. A healthy gut contributes to a stronger immune response against infections and diseases. Now the fourth health benefit is it is rich in nutrients. Curd is a good source of protein, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, riboflavin, vitamin B2 that is, and other essential nutrients. These nutrients are essential for bone health, energy production, and maintaining overall well being. Now, the fifth health benefit is weight management. Including curd in your diet can help with weight management as it provides a feeling of fullness, control appetite. The protein in the curd also supports muscle maintenance during weight loss. Now, the next health benefit is skin and hair health. The probiotics and nutrients in curd can benefit the skin and hair. When consumed regularly, curd may help to improve skin complexion, reduce acne, and strengthen your hair. And the last health benefit is bone health. The calcium and phosphorus in curd are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. So, friends, these were 7 health benefits of eating curd. I hope this information is useful for you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.